Hi, my name is Crystal Gomez. I'm one of the attorneys at Lincoln-Goldfinch Law. We're talking today about the recent changes for affirmative asylum applicants going to their interview at USCIS offices. Starting on September 13th, USCIS is now reverting back to their previous rules about interpreters at their asylum interviews. During COVID, they were trying to reduce the number of people that were in the interviews and make sure that they were limiting spread of the disease, and so they had contracted telephonically to have interpreters telephonically, and people weren't required to bring their own interpreter during that time period. But as USCIS has lifted those COVID requirements, we're back to where we were before September 2020, in which applicants for asylum, affirmative applicants for asylum, going to their interview are required to bring their own interpreter if they want to proceed in a language other than English for their interview. This means that you've got to find your own person who speaks the language that you feel more comfortable doing your interview in, bring them with you. The person cannot be your attorney. They have to be over 18 years of age. It can't be somebody who works for the government of the country for which you're seeking asylum. And the person can't be an interested party. They can't act as a witness in your case at the same time as being your interpreter. The other thing to note is that if you fail to bring this person with you to your application, USCIS they've said that they will deem that as you having not appeared at all. So they will say that you missed your interview and they'll deny your case. So the stakes are high, and it's important, if this applies to you, that you start thinking now about who this person's going to be for you, who is going to be available to go with you to your interview. If you have any questions about this change or any other change or policy, things that you've heard, please contact a legal professional, someone who can give you the rundown on what's changed and what you need to do in your case. We are here to help. Feel free to reach out to us here at Lincoln-Goldfinch Law.